Hey guys, Steve Welch here with Beam Toyota in Nashville. So wanted to talk to you guys about adding a roof rack to a Rav4. So you actually have several different variations to the Rav4, different trim levels, things like that. So I want to show you something you need to realize if you plan on adding that as an accessory to your Rav4. So if you look at the one behind me here, this one's an LE, all right? LE two-wheel drive, or so either a front-wheel drive or an all-wheel drive. Doesn't matter, it's gonna look very much similar here. You're gonna notice that you have this piece down here. There's no roof rails up top there. And when I say roof rails, I'm not talking about the things that go across. I'm actually talking about this right here. So these are your roof rails, right? So if you're gonna add a roof rack, you have to actually have the rails installed, which is a bigger job than, you know, just installing the racks. So what do the racks look like installed? Well, I got one right here I can show you. This is what the racks look like installed. They actually go down into these little grooves right here. So if you kind of see this, you can pop this up and you've got two positions. You can't adjust them front or back. They're in those positions that you see there. So XLE and above, XLE limited, you know, XSE, you're gonna have those roof rails on top that you can put those in. Now, I believe you can add these, actually I know you can add these roof rails to an LE, but keep in mind you're going to add a bunch of costs when you do that, and I don't prefer to do it for a couple other reasons, but you're going to add some costs when you do that. If somebody doesn't do it right, you could have it leak on you. So I don't prefer to add it to an LE. You're almost better off to go up to an XLE like that one that I just showed you right there. You're almost better to go up to that if you plan on adding a roof rack, right? But there is another variation of the roof rack that you need to know if you order it, because it's not going to be right, all right? And it's this one. So this is the Adventure or the TRD Off-Road. They will look the same on the top. There's a different variation to them, of course, but they will look the same on the top. But you can see your roof racks are actually attached different to a different rail system that's up top. So your TRD Off-Road and your Adventure series are different. And actually, I believe your Wilderness series is also going to be different on that one too. So you need to know which one you have before you order them, especially if you order them aftermarket off of, you know, some of the online places and that. If you order them, you need to know which ones you have to make sure that you get the right one, because don't just look up Rav4. They are different depending on which one you get. But just showing you a couple things on the accessories that you might get for your Rav4, and the roof racks, which people tend to really love the roof racks on your Rav4. So wanted to show you guys that. But Steve Welch with Beam Toyota in Nashville. Definitely like, subscribe, reach out to me if you guys have any questions at buyatoyotanashville@yahoo.com. buyatoyotanashville@yahoo.com, and we'll get you some roof racks. You guys have a good day. Get you the car with it too. You guys have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye.